And supposedly the higher end torque with the Ivan's tube is supposed to be greater than it was before. So that would mean that in the mid to higher levels with the higher torque, it would mean that I don't have to downshift as much as before in order to get where I need to get going or get around an obstacle like this. Of course, assholes like this want to fuck with people. And now he wants to make buckaroo. I'm so tired of the disrespect that the internet has taught everyone. It seems that the anonymity from the internet is transferred into vehicle operators. Punch it real quick. Yeah, kind of torquey. Kind of torquey there. I guess the real test would be when I get stopped. You know, if the bubbly exhaust is still going to be there. It's one of the things that I've been students let's really cure. Before with stock ECU, every time you get down to the lower RPMs and you go to an idle, it just like starts popping and wheezing and stuff. Which I was just supposed to fix. So we'll be checking that here shortly. But anyway, let me know what you think. I'm digging the Ivan's thing. It's kind of subtle, but listen, no popping. Nice and smooth. Digging it. But these Freedom Performance pipes are scorching right now. Burning my leg up. Yeah, kind of real low end on the torquey. Slow to take off. I thought I was in second. Well, now I am in second. So now the wind's coming from our right side. Got some mega traffic. Okay, so I'm doing 75. Approximately. I'm in fifth. I'm going to do this torque test here. Floor it. Bam. 100. Yeah, and then they also said that on the way down, the torque on the way down, as far as using the clutch to brake, is pretty light. So it's definitely less grip on the clutch braking. Yeah, it slows down a little bit, but Definitely gonna have to use more handbrake on that. Other than that, it's pleasant, man. It's pleasant. Digging it. Hauls ass. But then there's maybe always all Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for paying attention. Ivan's Flash is a go. Love it. Alright. If you're digging this content, please like. Please subscribe. Comment and share. And enjoy your Raider, people. Enjoy it while you can before they become illegal too. That's more dangerous things become illegal in this free country. Alright, bye. I'll let you go.